Sleeping and waking, a never-ending cycle. The beating of the rain outside is soulless music that fills my ears. I'm so tired. Mofesu. As I stare through the glass at the raging storm outside, my heart is heavy and my mood is low. I guess that's why they call it window pane. Mofesu. It's like stale bread that you eat over and over again. No flavor and no taste, just like the life I have to live. I'm just so tired. Mofesu. Then I'm blessed with sleep, sitting in that window. Eyes start to droop and lids feel heavy. My mind is suddenly transported to a warm place filled with bright colours. My real home. Ẹ̀rín àti ayọ̀, ìfọ̀kànbalẹ̀ àti ìdùnnú ni mo fi rí ajá aláwọ̀ aró tó jókòó sí ẹ̀gbẹ́ ilé mi. Ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí kò ń ṣe àjèjì sí mi. Ìrírí náà ṣòro ẹ̀ púpọ̀. Mo rí àìpapọ̀ ní ara mi ní orí àga tí mo jókòó sí. Mo ń rọ̀rí, mo sì ní ṣàwádà pẹ̀lú àwọn ẹbí mi àti ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Mi kò fẹ́ kúrò nítorí kò rẹ̀ mí mọ́.